In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your account on Zoho Books and get started managing your accounting. First things first, make sure you're using the Google Chrome browser, as this will ensure you have the best possible experience. Once you're set with Chrome, head over to https www.zoho.com/books. You should land on the home page where you'll easily spot the Sign Up Now button. Click on that to start the registration process. It's time to fill in some basic information. You'll need an active email address and to create a password. Remember, it's important to choose a secure password, one that's unique and not easily guessed to protect your financial data. A mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters usually does the trick when crafting a strong password. After you've filled these details, the next step is to verify your email address. You'll want to head over to your email inbox, and you should see an email from Zoho Books with a verification link. Click on this link to confirm your email address. This step is crucial as it ensures the security of your account and lets Zoho Books verify that the email address you've provided is active and correct. Once your email is verified, you'll be directed to the next phase, which involves entering your business details and setting up your financial settings. This is an important step because the information you provide here will be instrumental in tailoring the software to fit your specific business needs. So take your time to enter details such as your business name, industry type, billing information, and currency preferences. Setting up these financial settings accurately right from the beginning will allow Zoho Books to help you manage your accounting more smoothly and effectively. Now that you've entered all the initial setup information, you're ready to explore the dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. The Zoho Books dashboard is designed to be intuitive, providing you with easy access to all the tools and features you'll need to manage your accounting tasks. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the layout. Check out the various sections, each of which will help in managing different aspects of your business finances. In the dashboard, you can start seeing ways to generate invoices, track expenses, and review your financial reports. Zoho Books offers a lot of flexibility, so feel free to explore all the options at your disposal. Remember, as you navigate through the dashboard, if you ever feel stuck or need help, Zoho Books has extensive support resources, including tutorials and a help center, to assist you. And there you have it. You're now set up on Zoho Books, ready to manage your accounting like a pro. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you the best in your accounting adventures with Zoho Books.